Hello and welcome to this YouTube learning series, Accelerate, Growing to the Next Level. If you are watching this series for the first time, quickly go and watch the first video titled The Power of Intention Anchoring. I've shared some very powerful stories, a very powerful meditation technique, anchoring technique, and if you watch that, understand that, this video will make a lot of sense for you. Let's move on to this video's discussion. In this video, I'm going to talk about bringing great clarity in your professional career journey. If you go to any interview, the common question that is asked is, where do you see yourself in the future? What is your clear answer for that question, my dear friend? I do coach a lot of people from different walks of life, academicians, young students at times, mid-level managers, senior leaders. Most of the time, people struggle to find a great clarity on what they want to accomplish in the future. Like companies have mission for themselves. What is your personal vision for yourself? What is your personal mission that you want to do on daily basis and move on in your professional journey? And that is a very important question. One of my coaches, one of my young coaches who's an academician, who has done her BE, ME, PhDs under progress, and she works as a lecturer in an engineering college. And she very clearly says, Siva sir, you know what? My dream is to be an academician. I don't want to do anything else in my life. I don't know to do. All I know is teach. I'm greatly passionate about teaching. I want to work with students, young boys and girls, help them learn technology, help them build life and career. So I'm very clear that my life is inside this scope of academic institution, college. So I want to move. How do I grow in my life? What could be my future? I asked her, look, if you want to be in this profession as a teacher, as an academician, can you sit down and find out what is the highest level of growth that you can attain? What can you ultimately become in this journey? I don't want to start my own college. I don't want to build a business. I don't want to build my own school. I want to be a teacher. I want to be an academic setup. I want to work in this setup for a long time, as long as I live. And that is my passion. Okay, now tell me, what is the next step? What do you do now? You are a lecturer, okay? A young lecturer, came from PG. I'm doing my PhD now. So this is what I do. What is next? I might become an assistant professor. Then what next? I'll become a professor. What next? I'll become a HOD of a department, maybe. And then what? I might become a dean of a larger department. And then what? I might become a vice principal of my college. And then what? I might become a principal of an engineering college. And then what? And this lady is thinking, and then what? I have no idea. In my mind, the ultimate growth is vice principal or a principal of an engineering college. That's what she is seeing all the time, and that's her limitation is. I asked her, what could be the ultimate growth, a target of an academician like you? Principal. Is it where it stops? Anything else is possible? Then she thinks and says, I can become a vice chancellor of a university. That is the largest thing that I can accomplish as an academician. Or I can become the chairman of AICTE. It's in Delhi, controlling all engineering colleges. So now what happens when you start thinking really longer term, larger term, a lot of new possibilities open up. And this lady very clearly says, no, I don't want to be in AICTE and all. That's a very long journey. I'll think about it later. But now, right now, my dream is to become a vice chancellor of a technical university in my state, Tamil Nadu. I'm going to work sincerely, having that as my goal. I'm just 32 now, a young teacher. I might become a VC in the age of 55, 56, I don't know. But that is going to be my ultimate goal. That's my clarity. Now for that, I'll start working. What is the next step for me? Maybe the next step is to become a assistant professor and then a professor. So what I will do is, I have my goal set already to become a VC of a university. I'll keep it in the corner. I will start working passionately for that goal, growing step by step by step. And that is what clarity and growth, my dear friends, is. If you are a corporate professional, ask yourself, what is that you want to become ultimately? Someone said, I am a software developer. I'm a hardware engineer. I want to be in this company. I work for a very big global multinational brand. I love this company. I love this brand. I don't want to leave anywhere and go. I want to stay in this company, grow in this company continuously until my retirement. Maybe I want to become a CEO of the company. I want to handle one large business for the company. Someone said, no, I don't want to stay in this company for a long time. It's a glass ceiling over there. I can't grow aggressively well. I will change companies. There are many companies in my domain. There are many other organizations who are growing, who are hiring. So I will stay in one company for 3-4 years, get some good experience, then move to another organization, grow there. I will keep on moving until I reach an ultimate level in my career. Some people say, I'm in a midlife crisis. I've done this, I've done my degree, I've gone to this university, gone to the company, this domain, but somehow I'm not comfortable. It's boring for me. I want to do something else. There is a calling. I want to build my business. I want to go back to agriculture in my native village. I want to take over my family business. I want to start organic farming. I want to create a mobile application. I want to build a startup. There are people whose idea is to leave my full-time job, day job, and start something on my own, some business on my own. The question is, what is that you want to become in the short term, medium term, and long term? Do you have that clarity in you? Or do you say, no, I have done my degree, I've come to this company, working here for 7-8 years, I'm a team leader now, but I don't know where life is taking me. I might become a manager, I might quit the job, I might do something, I have no idea. Sadly, my dear friends, there are very many people who are like this, with no clarity of what they want to accomplish, where they want to reach in the future. If you build clarity, will you achieve? We don't know. You might achieve, you might not, but having clarity will tremendously help you in reaching your goal significantly faster than not having a clarity of goal in life. Look at this football match. 2 teams get into a football court and the referee says there is no goal post today. You can kick the ball wherever you want to kick. Then what happens? Imagine a complete chaos in the field. Everybody is kicking in all directions. Then you place a football goal post and say, look team, your goal post is this. You have to put a goal here. Once you give a direction or clarity, then the team starts playing, focusing on that goal post. That is what having goal clarity is. Having a goal post on the either side of the football ground is what having a clarity of what you want to accomplish, where you want to go in life. There are very few young people who say, I want to get into administrative service. I want to become an IAS officer, IPS officer. I come to college, go to a company, I'll work there for 4-5 years, write examination, parallelly UPSC, and become an officer. There are clarity. There are many people who says, I want to become an entrepreneur, but I can't do it now. I have my family commitments. I have my children to educate, my family, my mom and dad. Lot of things are there. I'll work until I turn 45, 50. I'll earn some money, settle down myself. Then I'll experiment on my career. I'll do something on my own. There are some young people who want to quit the job, build business. Some people want to stay in the job. I'm good. I'm happy in this company, in this brand. I'm learning. I'm getting a lot of respect. I'm contributing. I'm growing. I have a wonderful team around me. So I will stay back in this profession, in this organization, grow in this career. So bring about some clarity of what you want to accomplish in life. And that clarity, my dear friends, will give you a lot of momentum to reach your goals much faster than you would normally do without clarity of your goals. Thank you for watching this video. Wish you all the very, very best. Take care and bye-bye.